Peel a medium potato. Grate the potato. Peel a medium-sized carrot. Grate the carrot. Place the grated carrot into a bowl. Peel an onion. Finely chop the onion. Chop a few sprigs of scallion or spring onions and then add that to the bowl. Add 110 grams of chickpea flour. Add 1/3 cup of plant-based milk, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, black pepper to taste, mix. Add a little more chickpea flour if it's not thick enough. Finely chop 1/3 of a scotch bonnet pepper. Remove the seeds if you would prefer to have less heat. The consistency should look like this. Heat a pan and add oil, and once the oil is hot enough, add the batter in large spoonfuls. Fill up the pan and then cover on a medium heat to cook on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Flip the fritters over and cook for a further 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.